Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix GeForce Experience error code 0x0003. Now first up, one of the methods we can use is by restarting NVIDIA services. So to do this, just press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog. And then from there, type services.msc and press Enter. Now find all NVIDIA services, for example, NVIDIA Display Service, NVIDIA Local System Container, and NVIDIA Network Service Container. Now from there, right-click each service and select Restart. Another method is by reinstalling NVIDIA components. You can do this by pressing Windows plus R and type appwiz.cpl to open the Programs and Features window. Then uninstall all NVIDIA programs, including drivers and GeForce Experience. Next up, download and reinstall the latest versions from the NVIDIA website. Now the third method is to update your NVIDIA drivers. To do this, open Device Manager by pressing Windows plus X and selecting it from the menu. Then expand the Display Adapter section, right-click your NVIDIA GPU and select Update Driver. Choose to search automatically for updated driver software. Next up, you can also allow NVIDIA Telemetry service to interact with desktop. You can do this by opening the Run dialog. So again, Windows plus R, type services.msc, and then press Enter. Now find NVIDIA Telemetry container and then right-click on it and select Properties. Head to the Log On tab and check Allow Service to interact with desktop. Next, we have the Reset Network Adapter method. You can do this by opening the command prompt as an administrator. Then type netsh space winsock and then reset and press Enter. After that, restart your computer. Now finally, you can also check for Windows updates. You can do this by heading to Settings, Update and Security, and then Windows Update. Check for updates and install any available updates. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.